నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. డబ్బుతో కొనే వస్తువులను కొనటం మంచిదే, కానీ డబ్బుతో కొనలేని వస్తువులను పోగొట్టుకోవటం మాత్రం మంచిది కాదు అన్నారు షేక్స్పియర్. చాలా మంది తమ గురించి తాము గొప్పగా చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. ఎదుటి వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పినా వినరు. అలాంటి వారు కొన్ని చిట్కాలను పాటిస్తే సరి, ఎలాంటి పరిచయమైనా జీవితాంతం కొనసాగుతుంది. మరి అవేంటో తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఇప్పుడు కొత్తదనం చూద్దాం.
Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati. Swagatam Yoga. Today we'll do yoga for beginners. So I'm going to tell you how we need to do yoga, how we need to start pranayama, what all the principles we need to follow. So we'll start. In yoga, time discipline is very important. So always try to do yoga in early morning or 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock maximum. So try to do it early morning, so it will energize your full day. So that's why we do yoga in morning. So now I will tell you how we need to do yoga. Always try to sit straight, very important. So we'll start with pranayama. Today we'll do Kapalbhati. Inhale first, exhale, inhale, exhale, let's do Kapalbhati. Keep your hand here. Strong exhalation. Keep your stomach more inside. You can take a help of your hand also and try to feel, understand your body more while doing pranayama. So let's do it again. Keep your hand here. Dhyan Mudra. (20 count, 30 count, gradually you can increase it. Try to relax also, that is important. 10-second relaxation, 20-second your Kriya. So this is the way to do Kapalbhati. These all Kriyas are for the beginners. So let's do Samanya Kriya. In Samanya Kriya, we are just going to increase the speed of our breath. So we'll do it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we'll chant Om Mantra. Mantra is very important. It make you more positive towards life. So let's chant Om. I'm just keeping my hand like this, holding all the positive and negative energy, making me more positive. So let's do it. Inhale, exhale. We'll chant Om. Inhale. Om is very important. It purifies your mind, stimulate your nervous system, your brain. So please, whenever you find time, chant Om. It is important. So now we'll do Yoga Asana for the beginners. First we'll do Chalana Kriya. Inhale. Some circulation, which is very important to increase blood circulation in your body. Inhale. 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 Now rotate. Reverse. These are the warm-ups also. Now we'll do asana for the beginners. First we'll do butterfly pose. Relax. Now we'll do Vajrasana. Look up, hold. Now we'll do Pavan Mukhasana. Pavan Mukhasana is also good for the beginners, so let's do it. Hold. Relax. Now we'll do Naukasana. Naukasana is also good for the beginners. Hold. All asanas are very important for the beginners. Hopefully you have enjoyed our session. Do Kriya also and do this asanas, which are very good asanas. I would like to tell you about the food also. Before 5 you can have oily food, junk food. After 5 we have to avoid it. Drink lot of water. Our body 70% is made from water itself. So every half an hour we can take half glass of water. Stay healthy, stay happy. We will come again. Thank you.
చూసారుగా కొత్తదనం. ఇక ఎవరితో అయినా మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది శ్రద్ధగా వినాలి. మధ్య మధ్యలో వాళ్ళు చెప్పే విషయానికి సంబంధించిన ప్రశ్నలు అడుగుతూ ఉండాలి. దీంతో ఎదుటివారికి వారు చెప్పేది మీరు శ్రద్ధగా వింటున్నారనే భావన